Hey, this is Kerbel and I'm going to teach you how to do the Talon grind. It looks like this. So to do this trick, you can either let the yo-yo spin over your fingernails or over your fingertips like this. You should know that you cannot press the yo-yo, otherwise it will stop spinning. You just have to hold it very, very gently. And the more gently you hold it, the more it will spin. You can also do the Talon grind from a trapeze, which could be easier for you. For this nice yo-yo, the Horizon, we have a bit different cup, which is like concave. So you can either grab right in the middle or just let it rest in the rims. I like it more when it spins on the middle in this particular yo-yo, but depends on your yo-yo and what do you want to do. We can do different tricks, for example, a Talon grind and then a triangle, or even a more crazy one, which looks like this. And this is how you do the Talon grind.